So after this video, the prediction that I made went perfectly well and the price of Bitcoin is dumping towards the downside. Well, what is the next target for the price of Bitcoin? So if you look closely, the Bitcoin's price was in an uptrend, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then a higher high. So this level is very important because it somehow there is a very important higher low level right here at approx $63,150. So if the price of Bitcoin breaks this zone towards the downside, well, it did a breakdown already, but I hope it is not a fake out, because if it is not a fake out, and then there are very high chances that the price of Bitcoin has now entered in a downtrend. Change of trend has happened successfully, and now there are chances the price of Bitcoin can go towards the downside as well. But still, it is a risky move because there is a very important support zone also. So I will wait for the price of Bitcoin to break this support zone towards the downside, and then I will enter in a short, because obviously the price of Bitcoin can break this $63,150 level, as I already told you, but there are chances it can make a support from here. Buyers can enter and then it can go again towards the upside, thus a fake out. So that's why I am little safe on Bitcoin right now, because I am going short. I hope you all know that it is a bull market, so that's why I am taking some extra precautions while going short on Bitcoin, and that's why I'm not trading any altcoins also. I will wait for a perfect opportunity to trade altcoins, because going short is very risky, as the Bitcoin spot ETF is also already approved and there is a loads of Bitcoin buying in the market, so I can't risk it like that. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'll wait for a perfect opportunity to enter.